Hello students, this is Anil Kumar Pradhan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Short Studies. This video is completely dedicated to June 2021 SSC Public Examination appearing candidates. Social Studies Paper 1 and 2 combined will be a single paper of 100 marks. Consist of 4 sections of 1, 2, 4 and 8 mark questions. Here are few 1 and 2 mark model questions are given from lesson 3, that is production and employment, for your revision. In my previous videos, I have explained unit 1 and 2. Those who are not watched it, for them I have given link in description box of this video, so please watch it later. PDF of this video also available in description box for your practice. My humble request to all of the students, please watch the video from beginning to the last. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe immediately. Do you know what are the economic activities? Which sector is growing fast in India? Who are in the organized sector? What is disguised unemployment? What are intermediate goods? What is meant by employment? Question 1. Agriculture, fishing, forestry and mining comes under dash sector. We know very well all economic activities are divided into 3 sectors. Agriculture are primary, industry are secondary and service are tertiary. So here agriculture, fishing, forestry, mining comes under agriculture sector or primary sector. Those activities that do not directly produce a good but provide services that required in production and other services of people are called dash sector. See here, activities do not directly produce a good but provide services. So here in the service sector it provides all the necessary services to industry and agriculture. So the answer is a service sector. Manufacturing processes and other industries where goods are produced by people using tools or machines are activity of dash sector. Here clearly mentioned industries where goods are produced by people using tools or machines. So this is the activity of industrial sector or secondary sector. Which sector is growing fast in India now? So in now, service sector is growing fast in India. Teachers, lawyers, doctors, banking, police, etc. are example of dash sector. So we are getting service of teachers, lawyers, etc. That's why these all people comes under service sector. They are rendering their services. In which sector more workers are found but their contribution is very low? We know that India is predominantly agriculture country. So that's why most of the people work in agriculture field only. Whereas their contribution is very low. So here the answer is agriculture or primary sector. Production of commodities mostly through the natural process is an activity of dash sector. Production of commodities, for example, growing paddy, hatching, fish cultivation, etc. are natural process. This all comes under agricultural primary sector. GDP means a sum of all final goods and services in a decade. B. Sum of all final and intermediate goods in a year. C. Sum of values of all final goods and services produced in a country in a year. D. Sum of all the final goods and services in a decade. So we know very well GDP in the sense sum of all values of final goods and services produced in a country in a year is the right answer. Which of the following is a characteristic of unorganized sector? Unorganized sector, there won't be regular employment, there won't be scheduled work, there won't be paid leaves. The seasonal work is the characteristic of unorganized sector. Which of the following is a characteristic of organized sector? Organized. So workers are exploited in unorganized sector. Employment not secure for unorganized sector. Here paid leaves and holidays are available in organized sector. So this is the right answer. So paid leaves and holidays are the characteristic of organized sector. Match the following. Organized sector. Here banking, fishermen means organized sector, Indian Railway. Answer is here E. Unorganized sector, manufacturing of agarbattis is answer here D. Agriculture sector, we know fisherman is part of agriculture. It is C. Industrial sector, house construction comes under industrial sector. Service sector, banking comes under service sector. So the answer is 1E, 2D, 3C, 4B, 5A. EDC, BA. So answer is right answer is B. Is the right answer. Here occupation of certain people are given and we have to classify them into different categories. Priest, courier and astronaut, they comes under service sector. So answer is C. Gardener, beekeeper comes under agriculture. Answer is A. Potter, basket maker, they are manufacturing. So answer is B. 1C, 2A, 3B. So answer will be CAB. CAB. Right answer is A. CAB. Identify the correct statement. Organized sector workers enjoy job security, right? Unorganized sector is characterized by no job security and no paid leaves. This is also right. So both 1 and 2 are right. Identify the correct statement here. People's activities are divided into 3 sectors, right? More workers are engaged in industrial sector. This is wrong. So only 1 is right. So only 1 is correct here. Percentage of workers employed in different sectors in India in 1972-73 and 2009 and 10. Here year given 72-73 and 2009-10. Agriculture sector, industrial sector, service sector given. The question first, what are the major changes that you observe from the above table? Here what we observe is, first of all, there is a decrease in employment in agriculture, first point. Workers in agriculture sector was decreased 21%. Second, what we find is, there is an increase in industrial sectors of up to 11%. So industrial sector was increased from 11 to 22%. The same thing happened in service sector also, there is increment. In service sector only 10% employment was increased. So this is what we observed from the table. Next question. From which sector employment shift happened? We find clearly only in agriculture sector the shift has happened. From agriculture to industrial and service sector. This is shift. Observe the following table and answer the questions. Distribution of workers in India 2009-2010 in percentage. Agriculture sector, industrial sector, service sector. Place of residence, so rural and urban, sex male and female are given here. Now first question is, see, majority of workers in agriculture are living dash. Majority of workers in agriculture, see here agriculture, we find most are live in rural area. More than 90% of urban workers are getting employment in industry and service sector. We can find it easily. Service sectors here. Urban area, here we find industry and service sector. Most days workers are employed in agriculture sector. Most, see here, in agriculture sector, here male or female, we have to see the female are more. You can write most female workers are employed in agriculture sector. Compared to male, female workers are getting employment in days and days sectors only to a small extent. So male you can find in industry as well as service. So their number, females number is very less in industry and services. So the answer should be compared to male, female workers are getting employment in industry and service sector only to small extent. Next, observe the picture and mention the sector which they belong to. In first, what you find, there is some agriculture activities going on. So this first picture shows agriculture activity, agriculture sector. Second picture, mining activities going on. Mining is also comes under agriculture. Third, service sector, telecommunication, electricity, service sector. Fourth, here is the working in industries, so it is industrial sector. Transportation, communication, financing are example of this sector. So transportation and communication all are providing services to industry and agriculture. So this comes under a service sector. Find the odd one out and say why. Teacher, doctor, vegetable vendor, liar. So out of 4, here the odd one is vegetable vendor. The reason is vegetable vendor is an unorganized sector, whereas the teacher, doctor and liar in an organized sector. Next, postman, cobbler, soldier, police constable. Out of this 4, the odd one is cobbler, because cobbler is in private sector, remaining all are in a government sector. Find the wrongly matched pair. Shopkeeper, street vendor, repair work, they all comes under unorganized sector. Right one. Provident fund, medical benefit, paid leaves are given in organized sector. This is also right. Mining, fishing, forestry, industry. So this is wrong. Mining, fishing and forestry comes under agriculture sector. Is the right answer. So the third one is the wrongly matched one. What is financial year? We know every year 1st April to next year 31st March is called the financial year. As like academic year, this will be financial year also. Expand GDP. GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. What is organized sector? Organized sector covers those enterprises or places of work where the term of employment are regular and therefore people have assured work. So in organized sector, the term of employment is regular and they have assured work, paid leaves, medical benefits, provident fund and many benefits. Example, information technology jobs, railway jobs, banking jobs, teachers and many more. What is intermediate good? What is intermediate good? Those goods which are used in producing final goods and services and not meant for directly used by the consumer. See here, the goods which are used in producing final goods. So the intermediate good we will use again to produce another good. That is called a intermediate good. Again, Those goods which are used in producing final goods and services and not meant for directly used by the consumer are called intermediate goods. What is meant by final goods and services? Final goods and services refer to the goods and services which are meant either for consumption by consumer or for investment by farm or organization. So the final goods directly the consumer will use it, or not that farm or organization will reinvest again. That's called the final goods service. What are final goods? The goods being used directly by a consumer are called final goods. So the consumer will directly use it. Example, idli or dosa. What is unorganized sector? Unorganized sector is characterized by small and scattered units which have remained largely outside the control of government. Here, the activities which are outside the control of government are called the unorganized sector. Even though there will be rules and regulations, most of the unorganized sectors they won't follow scrupulously. There won't be job security. There won't be paid leaves. Example, plumber, painter, tailor, etc. What is disguised unemployment? Where people are apparently working but all of them are made to work less than their potential is called disguised unemployment. Even though they are working, they are not working to their full capacity. It is also known as underemployment. Disguised unemployment is more in agriculture sector. What is meant by employment? Employment is a situation where the able-bodied persons are willing to work and are engaged in some productive activities to earn the income. That is called employment. People are ready to work, they will do the job and earn some income from their livelihood. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, write in the comment box and share this video among your friends.